guys, and what's up? It's your girl, Naturally Nija, and I'm back with another video. If you're new, thank you for tuning in. And if you like the content you see, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell for me. Thanks. That was corny, but anyway, as y'all can tell by the title today, I am going to be doing a Valentine's Day makeup look. I don't even know what I'm doing, but we're just gonna figure something out. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, first I'm going to start off with my eyebrows. If you all seen my eyebrow tutorial, yes, I use gel, like regular edge gel on my eyebrows. So I just, put a little bit. It's really the only way I can slick them. Then I'm going in with my brow pomade and my little brushy right here. Next, I'm going to brush my eyebrows, brush the pomade through. Now I'm going in with this concealer. LA Pro concealer. Oh my goodness, I forgot to put on primer. Okay, I'm going in with this e.l.f. poreless face primer. This stuff is so smooth. Wow, and it smells like mint. Okay, now I'm just gonna blend in this concealer. This is how the brows are looking. Alright, and next I'm going to set my eyelids with this concealer I got from Maybelline. I don't know what shade. But yeah, I'm going in with this. Okay, next I'm going in with my my foundation. I'm just all over the place. I hope I'm telling y'all the right stuff. I'm going in with my foundation though, with this beauty blender. Psych, I lied. Actually, I'm just putting concealer on all the dark spots on my face first, and then I'm going to do the foundation. And now I'm going in with more concealer under my eyes and all over. Okay, next I'm contouring my nose. I just use like a eyeshadow because I can never find contour. Every time I go to the store, I can never find contour. And I like the button nose look. I don't like when they go straight down with the concealer, because that's not how a regular nose is. It's at least not mine. There's like clearly a difference. So I like to highlight that, I guess. Okay, now I'm going to blend out the concealer with my fingers. Sorry guys, the kids were being too loud in the background, so I just stopped talking for a little bit. But I'm pretty much going in with this Airspun setting spray, and I only added a little bit because I was already looking pretty bright with the concealer, and yeah, we don't want too much, so. I do not freaking know what I'm doing. Oh. Alright, next we're gonna get into the eyeshadow. So I'm gonna start off with this really dark, it's called Ember. That color. If it focus. And I'm gonna put it all over my eyelid. This kind of looks orange, but in person it looks red, so I don't know. That's what I'm using. Okay, next I am using a different palette. Precious Gems. I got this from Five Below. I don't care. And I'm going to go in with that, I think. That might work. I don't know. Ooh, they got pink. Okay, so I might go in with this and then add on this glittery pink because I'm wearing pink today. So I was just trying to create like a hold on. So actually So actually I'm gonna go in with this brown to try and darken this up because it's not giving the color that I wanted it to give. I don't really see a difference. I don't know. Ugh. Ooh, child, I have no idea where this makeup look is going. I'm gonna just try and go in with this light color and create something. I don't know. We just don't call this a fail, okay? Because that's what it is. That is what it is. Maybe this will look better if I put on eyelashes. I don't know. Alright, I'm just gonna leave it at that. I don't... I don't know, I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but we're just gonna keep trying, because I don't know. But I'm going to attempt to do my eyeliner. So here we go. Okay, this one's not bad. Now I have to do the right side, and if anybody knows me, you know that I'm left-handed. So hopefully I can get it to look like this. I don't know. What y'all think? I think I did pretty good on the eyeliner. I don't know if I don't want to add any to the bottom. I'm just gonna put mascara on the bottom because I didn't add any to the bottom. It already looked like I got eyeliner on the bottom. So yeah, I'm just gonna add some mascara. Alright, now I'm going to put on lashes. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I have them on, and everything around me, it's like I darkened the lighting because you could just see my makeup better. So I have my lashes on. Wait, I forgot to do blush. I'm just doing a little bit of highlight because I don't even like highlight like that, to be honest. I just don't think it's really that necessary, you know? Because I glow regardless. I don't have a blush, so I kind of just pick a red eyeshadow and going with that. Alright, so this is the finished look. I don't know if this is a fail or... Well, I don't think it's a fail because I don't even really do makeup like that. So it's not terrible. My method was probably not the best, but I'm gonna give myself some credit. You know, this isn't bad. Yeah, I wasn't really feeling the lip, so I wiped it off, but you can still kind of see because the lip looked purple and my eyeshadow is not purple. So, but this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments below if you do makeup. If so, where did you learn how to do makeup, and give me any tips that you might have. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.